Ever felt like the world of crypto wallets was a bit like a maze? You find one that seems perfect, sleek, secure, packed with features, but then, bam! A geographical roadblock. You're left wondering, wait, can I even use this thing? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically focusing on the Newton wallet. Which countries get the green light, and which are left out in the cold? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of who can and can't use Newton, let's take a quick step back. Why does this even matter? Why can't every crypto wallet just be universally accessible? Well, the answer, as with most things in the financial world, is complex and layered. It's a cocktail of regulations, licensing, and good old-fashioned business strategy. See, the crypto space, while aiming for decentralization, still operates within the boundaries of national laws. Each country has its own set of rules regarding digital assets, anti-money laundering, AML, protocols, and Know Your Customer, KYC, requirements. Companies like Newton, who provide crypto wallets and exchanges, must comply with these regulations to operate legally. This means they need to obtain licenses and adhere to specific guidelines, which can vary wildly from one jurisdiction to another. Think of it like this: a restaurant can't just set up shop anywhere. They need permits, health inspections, and they have to follow local food safety standards. The same goes for crypto platforms. They need to play by the rules, and those rules change depending on where they are. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Which countries can use Newton Wallet? The primary focus of Newton's operations is currently Canada. Yes, Canada is their home turf, and they've built a robust platform for Canadian users. This means if you're a resident of Canada, you're in luck. You can access the full suite of Newton's features, including buying, selling, and holding a wide range of cryptocurrencies. But what about the rest of the world? This is where things get a bit more nuanced. As of now, Newton's reach is primarily limited to Canada. They haven't expanded into other countries for a variety of reasons, including regulatory hurdles, market analysis, and strategic priorities. Transition to a screen with a why not graphic and a series of icons representing different challenges. Let's break down some of the challenges they face. First, regulatory complexity. Each country has its own regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. For Newton to expand, they would need to navigate these complexities, obtain necessary licenses, and ensure compliance. This process can be time-consuming and expensive. Second, market competition. The crypto wallet and exchange market is highly competitive. Newton needs to carefully assess the potential market size and competition in each country before deciding to expand. They need to ensure they can offer a competitive product and attract users. Third, operational costs. Expanding into new markets requires significant investment in infrastructure, customer support, and marketing. Newton needs to weigh the potential return on investment against the costs involved. Fourth, KYC and AML requirements. Ensuring compliance with KYC and AML regulations is crucial for any crypto platform. These requirements can vary significantly between countries, and Newton needs to implement robust systems to ensure compliance. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Canada is covered, but what about the future? That's a great question. While Newton's current focus is on the Canadian market, they haven't ruled out future expansion. However, they haven't publicly announced any specific plans or timelines. Here's what we can speculate. North American expansion. Given their focus on Canada, expanding into the United States might be a logical next step. However, the U.S. regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is particularly complex, with regulations varying from state to state. European Union, the EU, is another potential market, but again, regulatory harmonization is still ongoing, and Newton would need to navigate the complexities of the markets in crypto assets, MiCA, regulation. Other regions. Expanding into other regions, such as Asia or Latin America, would likely require significant investment and careful planning. The global adoption of cryptocurrencies is growing rapidly, and as regulations become clearer, we may see more platforms like Newton expanding their reach. However, it's important to remember that this process takes time and careful consideration. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. Newton Wallet is primarily available in Canada. Regulatory complexities, market competition, operational costs, and KYC/AML requirements are key challenges for international expansion. Future expansion is possible, but no specific plans have been announced. The global crypto landscape is constantly evolving, and regulations are becoming more defined. Now, if you're a Canadian resident, you might be wondering, why should I choose Newton Wallet? Well, they offer a user-friendly interface, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and competitive fees. They also prioritize security and compliance, which is crucial in the crypto space. For those outside of Canada, you might be wondering, what are my alternatives? There are numerous crypto wallets and exchanges available globally. Some popular options include: briefly list a few well-known global wallets. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to do your research and choose one that meets your specific needs. If you're interested in learning more about Newton Wallet, or if you're a Canadian resident looking for a reliable crypto platform, I encourage you to check out their website and do your own research. Remember, the world of crypto is constantly changing, so stay informed and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.